Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll teach you how to create this cross stitch effect in Adobe Photoshop. It's a pretty cool one, so let's jump right into it. We have our text layer and our flower layer, and I have my background here on a separate group. What I want to do is select all my layers except for the background, and I'll convert them into a smart object. Next, I'll create a new document. I can do that by pressing Command N on a Mac, Control N on a PC. And I'll make a 10 by 10 pixel document. As you can see, it's going to be tiny. Let's zoom in. And now you can either use the line tool or just write the letter X with a sans serif regular font. Let's go with a Helvetica bold. And let's center it kind of like this. Hide the background layer, open up your patterns and click on the plus sign. As you can see, we have our preview over here. Let's name it crosshatch, press OK. Go back to your main file. You now have this forever, so you can use it whenever you want for your next projects. With your design layer selected, go to Filter, Pixelate, Mosaic, and you're going to want to remember this number because we're going to apply the same number to our X's later on. I'll go with 10. Command and click on the thumbnail of your design layer. This will create a selection. Now open up your patterns and click on the pattern we just created. Hold down the Alt or Option key to not clip it. Hide your design layer. And here we have our X crosshatch design, which is pretty cool since it's going to have lighter values and darker values. So the effect looks really awesome. We can also change size or colors to this. Our pattern is a 10 by 10 and our mosaic was 10 pixels. So this fits perfectly. But if we were to make the design 20, you can just double click here and just scale it up by double the size, so 200. What we can also do is right click, convert to smart object, and now if you double click on this layer and add a color overlay, you can change its color to whatever color you'd like. For example, I'll make it white. Now I want it to be a little stronger, so I'm just going to duplicate that layer a couple of times. And there you go. It's as simple as that. Make sure to try out this effect, tag me in the stuff you create using this tutorial, and feel free to comment down below if you have any tutorial requests or suggestions. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!